Good morning, students. Today we are doing chapter 13 sound. So here there is some conversation in teacher and students. So teacher is asking from the student that do you know what is sound? So the boy has replied, what is sound? You all know that it is a form of energy that enable us to hear, or you can say the sensation that we can felt. And what is sound? It is a form of energy that enables us to hear. Okay. So now you can see the special sounds, special music you can hear. Now she is asking about some musical instrument. So you know about some musical instruments? Yes. Now in the next animation you can see the musical instrument like tabla, flute. Okay. And sound is produced because of the vibrations of an object. In other words, you can say that a vibrating object produces sound, and it can be produced by following method. So now in this animation you can see that by vibrating strings like guitar, sitar. Okay, so by this we can produce the sound. And second, by vibrating air column like flute. And in the third case, you can see that by vibrating membranes like tabla, dholak, and then next by vibrating plates like bell. Okay, so sound is produced by the vibrations. So now after this we will learn about how human being produces sound. How does human being produces sound? So now see, a human being produces sound because of the vibrations of his voice box, and this voice box, it is called as larynx. You can see the larynx. It is present in the throat, upper side of the windpipe. You can see here in this animation. Okay, so what is larynx? It is a voice box, and you can see the animation. In the animation you can see the vocal folds. So you can say that there are the two stretched membrane attached in the larynx with a narrow slit between them. You can see one narrow slit in between the vocal cords. So now see. So after this, when air passes through vocal cords, they produces different type of sound with different combinations of stretching. Okay, when air passes through these vocal cords, they produce different type of sound with different combinations of stretching. Now I am speaking, so my vocal cords are also stretching. And now we will discuss about that how does sound propagate. So sound cannot propagate in the absence of a medium. Like I am saying that on the moon you cannot hear the sound. Why? Because on the moon there is no air. Okay, so by this we can say that sound cannot propagate in the absence of medium. Sound can propagate only in the solid, liquids and gases. Okay, so see in the next animation. So we can say that it cannot propagate in the absence of medium. It can travel only. What is propagation? This is the transmission of sound. Okay, so it can propagate it only in the solid, liquid and gases. So by this, as I have discussed earlier, that why we cannot hear the sound on the moon? Because there is no air on the moon to carry the sound waves or sound variation. It can only propagate it in solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so